In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enhance your design proficiency by using grids in Webflow to create beautifully structured layouts. Grids can really elevate your web design by providing a clean and organized approach to arranging elements on your pages. First things first, let's get started by opening Webflow in your favorite web browser. Once you have Webflow open, locate and open the specific site you wish to work on. It's crucial to ensure that you've chosen the correct site, as any changes you make will be reflected there. Next, focus on the Add Elements panel. You'll find this interface on the left-hand side of the screen. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a range of elements you can incorporate into your design. Now, it's time to scroll down through this panel. You're specifically searching for the grid element. The grid is an essential tool for creating layouts that adapt well to all screen sizes, making your design both appealing and functional. Once you spot the grid in the list, click on it and simply drag it onto your canvas. This action will place the grid onto the page you're working on. The grid is very versatile, allowing you to divide your workspace into rows and columns, providing a framework that helps align various elements precisely. At this stage, you can begin customizing your grid. Webflow gives you the flexibility to adjust the number of rows and columns, define the gap between grid items, and even adjust individual grid items to suit your design vision. You can add more elements into your grid to begin populating your layout. Perhaps you want to include images, text boxes, or buttons. Now is the time to explore different possibilities and understand how they interact with your grid structure. Feel free to explore other elements that you might find interesting and beneficial for your design. Webflow provides a wide variety of elements that can enhance your design aesthetics and functionality. Experimenting with these options is highly encouraged, as it allows you to understand the scope and possibilities of Webflow's capabilities. Once you're satisfied with your layout and feel confident that everything looks perfect, the final step is to publish your site. Click the Publish button, which you'll find at the top right corner of your interface. By doing this, you'll make your latest design live and visible to the world, reflecting all the changes you've meticulously crafted during this session. And there you have it. You've successfully utilized the grid feature in Webflow to enhance your website's layout. Practice makes perfect, so continue to experiment and refine your skills. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful for your design journey.